What's up, guys? Today I figured I would do a video since I'm having a problem with this phone that I'm using as a camera, transferring files from it to my PC. So I've seen a lot of people have problems. I've had problems myself with other phones with 8.1, and the solutions never work. So I'm gonna just briefly walk through your first solution. So you're going to tap on settings, and we're going to come down here to about phone, and then we're going to click software information, and then you're going to tap build number 7 times, and that's going to enable the developer options. In developer options, you want to scroll down, you want to make sure USB debugging is enabled, and then we want to scroll down until we see default USB configuration. You want to make sure transfer files is on. So if you did that, don't waste your time going into device manager and turning power management off. That don't work. What I did find is if you go into settings and you click on connections and you disable Bluetooth, at least for Windows 10. I didn't try it on 8.1 because I didn't know about this until I'm fucking around with this. So if you disconnect Bluetooth on Windows 10, files transfer perfectly. Now, if that doesn't work for you, what we're going to do is go to the Play Store. You're going to type in Samsung Flow. You're going to click install. That's going to install it on your smartphone. We're going to click open, and you're going to click continue. You're going to allow all the permissions, and then what we're going to do is pan up to the desktop. And down here where it says type here to search, you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in store. You're going to click enter. This is going to bring up the Microsoft Store. Then we're going to search for, again, Samsung Flow. You're going to click that, and you're going to click install. So once that installs, you're going to click open, and then you're going to click start. So you can see here, well, I know my device is not showing up here. So what we got to do is we have to connect a USB cable to the phone. Now you're going to click that phone that just popped up. We're going to click install. It says you can't. Why? Because you got to disconnect the USB cable beforehand. So we'll disconnect the USB cable. We're going to have to click cancel here because we got to now click the phone we want. Now you can see it's registering the device. You're going to give that a minute. All right, you're going to have a set of numbers on your smartphone, which is exactly the same as that. We're going to tap right down there, OK. And then on the computer, you're going to tap OK. Now, everything is completed. You can see that popped up here. You don't need a USB cable to transfer files from your smartphone to your desktop. What you got to do is on your smartphone, you're going to click, while using this app, allow. You're going to do all the same permissions that it's going to ask for. And then say you want to transfer from the phone, we're going to click this little plus sign right there. We're going to tap that, and then we're going to click video, and you can see I have a video here, 2 of them actually, because I fucked one up. And I know it's out of focus, but before we go on, there's 3 dots up here. You want to click settings, and then where your video is going to go, you want to change that. So I want mine just to go to PC and then desktop, and then select the folder. And then we're just going to close that out, and we're going to click open on that. On the smartphone, I'm simply going to tap one of the videos. And let me get that in frame. You can see right there it downloaded. So if we minimize this and then we go to the desktop, you can see, I gotta figure, okay, here it is here. Click open. Samsung Flow. We did that without a USB cable. Now, if you want to uninstall this off Windows 10, you're going to come back down here and you're simply going to type in apps. You're going to see apps and features. You're going to click that. We're going to scroll down. You're going to see Samsung Flow and you're going to click uninstall. And now it is uninstalled. And on the phone, I'm sure you know how to uninstall that. And that's going to conclude the video of how to transfer files from the smartphone to your PC. And it works the other way. You can transfer files from your PC to your smartphone.